Banking in the digital age has become critical to managing finances, from paying bills and checking bank balances to sending money to friends. It's almost impossible to get by without tech knowledge. New research from the Capital One Insight Center found 86% of Americans, including older consumers, are digitally literate and well equipped to use digital platforms to meet their routine banking needs. Joining me now is Adam Davis, the Vice President of Financial Health, Inclusion, and Liquidity at Capital One, to discuss this digital banking survey in detail. How are you, Adam?
I'm great. It's great to see you too. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. So what does it mean to be both digitally and financially savvy?
Yeah, as you just mentioned, banking is critical these days in a digital age to managing finances, and there's so much stuff that you do online digitally. Being digitally savvy means that you are in a place where you're able to do those activities, but do them safely. So avoiding things like scams and phishing attacks. Whereas financial literacy and being financially savvy is focused on having the right knowledge of the basic concepts to be able to have informed decisions to improve your financial well-being and to be able to work towards your financial goals. In that recent study that you just mentioned, we looked at the combination of those two, digital financial literacy, where you can do those activities online, but do them safely. And we found that 86% of US consumers can bank digitally, bank digitally and do it in a really safe way. However, 40% of consumers lack the basic knowledge to be able to do things such as manage their debt or build credit.
Have consumers improved their digital skills when it comes to banking?
Consumers have improved their digital skills. We're realizing that today, 70% of consumers are enrolled in online banking. And we also find that almost 2/3 of consumers prefer to manage their finances through either the mobile app or online banking, whereas less than 10% of consumers prefer to go to a branch. And so when you think about this, right now, only 55% of US consumers are digitally financially literate, though, and so there's still room for improvement.
What other key findings came out of this survey?
Yeah, one of the key findings is that the ages 65 and older have a much higher digital financial literacy, almost 3 times that of those 18 to 24. And the biggest difference is the lack of financial literacy. So that's one of the reasons that Capital One has partnered with Khan Academy, a leader in online learning, to be able to offer free online financial literacy courses for all ages. Because having this online financial education is so critical to making sure that people are able to manage their finances and do it in a really safe way.
And where can we go to learn more?
Yeah, Capital One's partnership with Khan Academy can be found by typing Capital One Khan Academy online, and then you'll go ahead and you'll be able to see as one of the first results the different findings.
Adam, thanks so much for taking the time to talk with us today. We really appreciate it.
Thank you.